Hello everybody. Um, yeah, fire shift. Anyways, Engine 11, show me in service.
Acknowledged. Approach with
Engine
caution.
11, show me available. Maybe it's that.
Roger that. Proceed to patrol area.
Anyways, this is the engine we're gonna be running.
All units, assistance required in the Humane Labs facility.
And we're being cut out. We're arriving on scene here. Get out the way. Get off the road. That wouldn't open, so. Engine 11, show me on scene.
Roger. Proceed with caution.
Commander's over here. Alright. Actually, it doesn't really look like this is working unless I can use... I think I have an idea. Wrong side. First off, let's stretch the line out just in case. I don't think we have any fire hydrants nearby. Okay, so nearest one's that far, so. Man, we have other engines, so. Anyways, get the K-12 saw. Oh. I don't know why it's doing that. Okay, there we go. That's just my imagination. Mm-hmm. Can I actually go in there? Or is it glitched? I don't know if I want to risk. I don't know if I want to risk. Oh, okay. I don't know what's really going on. Okay, so first person is kind of the way to go. You know, I'm not really hazmat trained, so... Well, they're calling in a hazmat team, so... Yeah, looks like we can clear. They're doing their investigation. Alright, that's clear. Engine 11.
Go ahead.
Show me... available. Engine 11, show me available. Engine 11, show me available.
Roger that. Proceed with patrol.
Alright, yeah, we're back at station. Right now, I was going to the third bay.
All units, we have a fire alarm in, Elysian Island.
Alright, looks like we're dispatched. Well, I don't feel like installing that yet, so... Alright, let's go en route. got smoke showing. Looks like some heavy smoke showing over there. I guess we're going this way. Oh no, this is this way actually. That went somewhere else. Engine 11, show me on scene.
Roger that. Proceed with caution.
Alright, dang. Oh, we got explosions, we got explosions. Alright, so we're not gonna have a refuel. Let's mask up.
No way!
I don't know where the explosions are coming from.
For real? Please. Come on! Damn it! Perfect.
Trying to figure out where the explosions are coming from.
No!
Things coming from over there.
Damn!
I'm out. I'm out of air. Alright, we're still on there.
Hell.
This is where explosion coming from, I believe. Oh, now I want to go over there.
No way! For real? Jesus!
I'm out of water. I didn't know that was a feature. If you run, air pressure goes down way faster. Did not know that. Hey, I'm gonna go refill my rig. Let's go refill water real quick.
Damn it! Perfect. No!
I'm gonna get more water, man. Let's refill back on water.
Damn it!
Gonna need more units down here.
Fire truck backup required in Elysian Island.
And probably a thunder.
Fire truck backup needed in Elysian Island.
Please.
We got one victim in here.
Damn it!
Okay, I'm getting out. I'm getting out of there.
No! Hell. No way! Come on!
Where's my water at? I want to
Get out of
evacuate,
here!
man.
Go! Go! Go!
There we go.
Damn it!
I think that's it. Yep, that's it. I'm clear now. And they're gonna start their investigations. Engine 11, show me back available. Engine 11, show me available. Engine 11, show me available. There we go.
Proceed to patrol area.
Good for. Back at station. I don't think that was the lane. No, it is.
Hi.
Citizens report an ambulance requested in El Barro Heights.
Engine 11. Oh, yeah.
Go ahead.
Never mind. Oh, shouldn't have put a hydrant right there. Engine 11, show me on scene. Engine 11, show me on scene.
Copy that. Proceed with caution.
Hey man, what's going on today? Fucking red, but one way, yeah. I wish they would get this open.
Assistance required in El Barro Heights.
I guess I can't get a pulse, blood pressure, or anything like that. I mean, it's literally, does he have a medical card?
Thanks, buddy.
He has a heart disease. And it's allergic to sulfa. You're gonna park like that? Oh, what happened to my face? I got fixed eventually.
I got this.
And now you both. Oh. I don't think you need. He's alert, man. You don't need to do CPR.
Oh, Jesus, we lost them.
How he was okay. You know what? Yeah, sure. Go ahead.
How'd we even show up?
Engine 11, show me available.
Roger that. Proceed to patrol area.
It just said he was DOA, man. How's he alive, but DOA? What is going on? What is going on right here, man? They weren't doing anything, so. They're going to do something. I guess it's working. Oh, okay. Now you want to open. I didn't want to try this out though. I'm gonna put ambulance up a bit. Control Y. What was the other one? Oh, okay. I was pressing control. Wait, it's not, why do I hear alarm? I do want to see lights on this, though. I'm gonna put a sandwich tester back and test it. Never, drove in this same once before, so... This needs cleaning, actually. There we go. Not a problem. I think I can get rid of that cloud, but I don't know yet, so... Anyways, back on this. Open up the side door? No. No, actually, I think I can. Oh, I lost everything. That's cool, I guess. Where did my engine go? Well, move out the way then!
Citizens report a motor vehicle accident. Units respond code 3.
Move out the way! Dang, where's this at? Right, oh, just right there. Let's fix that real quick, okay. Anyways. Engine 11, show me on scene.
Copy that. Proceed with caution.
The car is gonna be smoking, so I'm gonna close down the road right here. Just in case. Also, so people can actually do something. Or I can do something, I mean. Stretch the line out just in case. Hey, you alright, man? Can I turn off the... Can I disable the battery? It's not. I have to put this person out. And drag you away from the car a bit.
I'm really
Oh.
not in the mood for this.
Okay. Now, I'll work on you later. I'm gonna get these people out of the car. Hey man, you alright? No, I do not want to open this door. I want to open this door.
Damn! How is this possible?
Hey man, let's get away from the car.
Can't be!
Let's get away from the car, man. Come on, let's get away from the car. Good enough.
Motherfucker!
Come on, get away from the car.
That ain't good!
You know it's not. You know what else is not good? Staying in near a car that's smoking. Anyways, oh. Where is the impairment? Wait, it's on phone? Man, I don't see any bleeding, but just in case. Because this kind of all weird. Where is the impairment? You know what, ambulance got you.
Backup needed in Murrieta Heights.
Whoa!
Yeah, whoa, I'm trying to help you. They say, I think it's obstructed. Yes, it is. Impairment where? Please stay on right there until I ask you to get off. Probably should have put this or a collar on that person, but
Hopefully time is on our side.
they got it.
Check for a pulse.
Yeah, where's your monitor in your med bag like that? I believe they got him.
Oh, fuck.
Do I need to call their aim with that person, or can they get that person too? I don't know. I'll figure out soon. Sit down. You're supposed to be critical. Okay, I do need culinary mistress, man. Don't hit me.
Assistance required in Murrieta Heights.
Don't hit my rig. Yeah, we don't do that. We do that in the ambulance, not out here. Oh, I wish this can stay on my screen for way longer. Spinal injury. Stuff. I'm gonna put this on him. If I can find it.
Come on, let's go. Rápido, rápido. Man, what a disaster.
Good enough.
Assistance required in Murrieta Heights.
Se acabó. They're gone, bro.
I think something's leaking. I hear something leaking. Oh, yep, something's definitely leaking. Please stand still. Do we have I don't think we have the oil observance. Yeah, I don't think we do. So, is like an ambulance gonna come get this man?
Backup required
did.
in Murrieta Heights.
Is the car off? Yeah. I mean, either way, can't really turn on. Requesting tow truck. Oh, I probably should have kept that mod.
All right, give me something.
Hey, buddy, you're a bit late. Oh, time to clear. Guess I don't have
Get
bed
over
installed.
there, stat. So stay calm. I can save you.
Engine 11. Show me available. Anyway, so that's gonna wrap it for this episode. So if you want to see more, I'll get more, I guess. I don't know. Comment down below if you want more, I guess. Something like that. Anyways, I'll see you on the next shift or video. Peace.